Good afternoon, my name is John Lann and I am the Senior Editor for Dentistry Today magazine. With me this afternoon is Dr. Ed Shellard, the Chief Marketing Officer for Carestream Dental. We'll be discussing the CS Solutions suite of products. Dr. Shellard?
Thanks, John. Well, we're great to be here at the ADA in New Orleans, launching the brand new suite of CS Solutions products. We have a great new offering to round out our portfolio, and we're excited to be here in New Orleans. We look at the whole suite, we talk about it in the context of scanning, designing, and milling. And everything we do is designed to be easy, straightforward, and very intuitive. The nice thing about the system is that it allows you to scan with two different ways. The first way is with our CBCT equipment, whether it be the 9000 or the 9300. It's really easy to use, and the doc, all they need to do is actually scan a standard impression with a plastic tray. They take that data set that's created, it's an STL file format that allows the doc to send that information to any laboratory that can accept an STL file. It's the industry standard, and because it is the industry standard, we can send that information wherever we need it to go. The second way is to use the CS3000 Intraoral Scanner. Now, the CS3000 Intraoral Scanner is brand new technology, and we think it's really exciting for a few key reasons. The first is it's completely portable. The scanner is connected direct USB to a terminal, and it allows the doc to actually take the scanner from operatory to operatory very easily. It's in true color, it requires no powder, and it has disposable tips. These tips can be used 20 times and then thrown away. So the nice thing about it is that you have very, very good sterilization process between patients. We also have two tip sizes, and it allows the doc to either use it for adults or for children. The scanner itself has a mode button that allows the doc to actually toggle between upper arch, lower arch, or bite. So they don't have to go back to the computer keyboard to change. They can keep their focus right on the camera. We also have built into the system a light guidance system, and we have a pico projection light that's into the camera, and it focuses light into the patient's mouth. And that light then actually helps to direct the doc as they capture the information. It allows them to focus their energies with the patient, not have to look at the terminal and look at the screen, and it changes color if the information isn't captured appropriately. If the doctor is scanning and they scan from one position to the next, it'll actually change from green to amber if they're not in the right position. So we feel that this scanner does a fantastic job of bringing 3D digital technology to the general practitioner, and because of its portability, because of its feature sets, because of all the added benefits that the scanner does have, we think it's going to be a great product for us. Let's take a look now at the acquisition software that accompanies the CS3000. As you can see, the acquisition software is very straightforward. The information is displayed very, very crisply on the screen. The doctor can see very, very precisely where they are in the process. They can understand at a glance if the image has been acquired appropriately. If it hasn't been acquired appropriately, then the information will be automatically thrown away. So the data stitching will be very quick. It'll be very straightforward. We're very excited about this interface. We're very excited about the fact that it really is easy for the dentist or the assistant or the hygienist to scan and capture the information. Once that information has been captured, we then go to the CS Restore Design software. Now, the CS Restore Design software is, again, been designed in a way that allows a practitioner to work through the steps very, very easily. And we designed it in such a way that it's intuitive and easy to use as you proceed along the process, and you accept all the defaults within the software. It can be as quick as a 5-click process. So we've automated as much as possible. We've automated the cervical line placement. We've automated undercut detection. We've automated the crown design itself. And we've actually placed the crown into the block material and placed the sprue onto the restoration prior to the information being sent to the CS3000 milling machine. So the last step in the process is once this data has been taken and scanned, whether it be through the CBCT machine, whether it be through the CS3000, then designed, the restoration design in the CS Restore software. We then send that information, again, STL file based, and again, open architecture. We send that over to the CS3000 Mill. And the CS3000 Mill actually is very unique in that it has one milling burr. It operates at 60,000 RPM. And it's easy to change the blocks in the milling machine. The machine itself is self-contained, so you don't have to run a separate water line or a separate high air pressure line to the system. All you have to do is connect it to the power cable and an Ethernet, and away you go. So again, very, very simple to use. We operate the CS3000 milling machine off of a work list, much like you'd have at your home. Printer where you can actually scan multiple patients. You put them into a working queue, and then you can pick and choose which patients you want to mill next. So you can actually have multiple patients that are ready to be milled, and then you pick, and then you mill those patients.
And where can people go for additional information on the product, Dr. Shellard?
If they'd like more information, you just go to carestreamdental.com.